Hey guys, welcome back to Get Your Fix. Got a 2005 Honda Element. Going to be doing the suspension on it. Replacing this, and then this down here, and then adding a couple pieces. For now, just got it broken down and lifted up. Sprayed a bunch of PB on it. It's got to sit for a little bit. But yeah, here's the flat out suspension in the front. I pre-ordered these. It took a year to get. Just under. Element 44 with the sphericals for the front. The rears, I think I can go up to like a 3-inch lift. So, and it's all adjustable. Oops, there we go. There's the rear components that I'll be using. Element 44, they got great customer service. Same with Flat Out. But yeah, so stay tuned. Gonna let this soak, and then I'm gonna get to it and see if I can't get this sucker lifted up and make it look a little bit better. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching.